Welcome to Cakes Concealed Carry. If you're watching this video, you've got your first Cakes Concealed Carry purse, and this video is going to show you all about it. We're going to talk about the features of the purse, and most importantly, how to use it. All Cakes Concealed purses are made of 100% ethically sourced leather. With proper maintenance, it'll last you a lifetime. In the smaller front compartment, I usually keep a wallet, a chapstick, maybe some keys. While compact, it can fit your essentials. At Cakes Concealed Carry, we believe concealed means concealed. Cakes Concealed Carry's branding is found on the inside of the purse where no one really needs to see it. The emergency pull strap also has the Cakes branding, but this pull strap is customizable to whatever it is you want to use as your pull strap, as long as it is strong enough and long enough for you to grab and pull when needed. The back side of your Cakes Concealed purse has a phone pocket. It will fit the largest iPhone or smartphone out there in the market right now. The pocket location being on the back of the purse actually provides a theft-proof storage for your phone. Now let's talk about what's inside the purse. The main feature of the Cakes Concealed Carry bag is its emergency pull strap, which allows you to access your firearm with a very quick and easy pull. It is important that you remember to pull the strap away from your body and not down. As long as you are pulling away from your body, the purse should open with no hiccups. Pulling your strap down could potentially cause a snag if the purse catches on the frame of your firearm. It's crucial that you practice and train how you carry. If you're going to be wearing your Cakes purse every day, spend some time practicing pulling the strap open. Always pull outwards, not downwards. Eventually, you're going to get into the habit of it, and it's going to be muscle memory. Now let's talk real quickly about holstering your firearm in the Cakes bag. Every Cakes Concealed bag comes with a very simple nylon and velcro holster for free. However, we strongly recommend that you invest in a Kydex holster that will fit perfectly to the mold of your unique firearm. If you don't have a Kydex holster yet and you're going to be using the velcro nylon holster, I'm going to quickly show you how to do it. You can adjust the velcro straps of the holster to snugly fit inside your firearm. The velcro straps should clearly cover your trigger guard in its entirety. The back of your nylon holster will have rough hook side velcro material. This is the material that's going to stick to the soft loop side velcro that is on the inside of your Cakes bag. It's important that you do this part with a clear and unloaded firearm and no ammunition. You will take your holstered firearm, pull your Cakes bag all the way open while wearing it, tuck your firearm all the way to the bottom of the purse. Press firmly to ensure that the firearm is secure. Nylon holsters are level 1 retention, which is friction, so the firearm should glide easily in and out for a draw. To ensure you've got a safe fit, always check to make sure your safety strap works. The arms of the nylon holster should be snug around your firearm, but not too tight to where the friction won't allow you to get it out. Your firearm should slide easily out and in. If you need to adjust the tightness of the arms of the nylon holster, all you have to do, you can open them right up and press them shut for a nice secure hold. Your firearm should not wiggle when it's in the nylon holster. If you got one of the Cakes branded Kydex holsters, the installation process is much easier. You select the actual firearm that the holster will be custom molded to, so it should be an absolute perfect fit based on your selection. The firearm should slide right in. You will be given a strip of Velcro adhesive for your holster. The holster itself is ambidextrous, and you will apply the Velcro tape to the side that you want to use. For example, I am right-handed. If I've got the holster on my firearm and I'm going to be drawing from this position, I know that I need to apply the Velcro adhesive on the inside of the holster. As you can see here, the Velcro tape has been applied. The installation of your holstered firearm into your purse is about the same as with your nylon holster. You press the muzzle of your firearm to the bottom left corner of your purse. Always ensure a secure fit. The holster should stay in place when you draw your firearm. These purses are meant to be modular. You can have different holsters and different firearms and switch them out based on your needs. If you ever switch your holster or firearm out, Make sure you do a functionality check to ensure everything is working. Thank you for watching this video, and again, welcome to the Cakes Concealed Carry family.